game. Listen, adults. Listen, kids. Okay? So this game is bato-bato game. So I want you to hold the two hands of your kids like this. So listen as instruction. When the clown says bato, put the two hands of your kids on their head. Put the two hands of your kids. Kuti ang kamuti. Ibutang sa iyang ulo. Okay, anak. Very good. Put the two hands of your kids on their heads. Bisay ko na kuha. Kuha ilang kamot o ibutang sa ilang ulo. Duha ka kamot. Okay, that is bato. Bato na siya ha sa ulo. Bato-bato is on the shoulder. Bato-bato is on the shoulder. Bato-bato is sa abaga. Batuto sa ilang tiyan. Batuto is on their tummy. Okay. Again, I repeat. Batu, 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 batutus, batu, 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 batutus, batu, batutus, batu, batutus, batu. Okay, kung paspason sa cloud, paspason sa ninyo. So if I will make it fast, you will make it. Batu, batu, batutus, batu, 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 batutus, batu, 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 batu. Asang batu, batu? Sa abaga or sa shoulder. How old is Jemima today? 7 is dapat it should be complete. Complete, go.
7 years old.
Very good, Natalia got the correct answer. Thank you so much for your prize. Under shouting 6, under 7. Okay, today is Jemima's birthday and she turns 7 years old. Next question. Next question is, what is the favorite color of Jemima? 5 seconds, 5, 4. Very good, Katie got the correct answer. Thank you so much, Katie. Next. Ano sa boys? Ang boys mahina tayo. Alright, boys. Alright, boys, come here. Who can tell me the name of...
So right now, so ganina malaman sa ito ang picture. Kinsa pa may kailangan mag-picture nila? Arita sa front. Arita sa front. Dali. Okay, by people na lang. Okay na sa by people. Asa mo mag-una? Ano niyo si Ate Hetty and Jollibee, ha? Okay. Arita sa first table, Kuya. Okay, picture. Okay, isa na ng first table, appeal mo sa picture. First table. Sige na.
Nadugonon? Natandog jud na ba? Kay nagkuan pa gina ganina. Tasa lang. Asam to siya?
Volume mo daw.
Gila, ERCE na lang nato na, ma'am. Ah, dili. Yeah.
Jollibee is thinking. First wish ni Jollibee for Ate Jemima is to grow up to be strong and smart like Jollibee. Yay! Everybody clap your hands. Wow, very good, Jollibee. How about your second wish, Jollibee? So my second wish. Jollibee's second wish for Ate Jemima is to grow up to be pretty like Mommy and also like Daddy. Yay! And of course, ang last and final wish ni Jollibee for Ate Jemima is to grow up to have a strong faith like everyone else. Yay! Thank you so much, Jollibee. Pangpakan daw na po si Jollibee, everyone. Grabe ka na siya kung na ano para sa iyong wishes ay. Anyways, Mommy and Jollibee po aside na I prepared the special dance number si Jollibee and Happy for you. And also for everybody. Now, every time na I question si Ate Abby, ang always natin ito ba? Yes, yes, yes. Now, can I hear a very loud and very energetic yes, yes, yes? Everybody say? Very good, but right now, Mommy and Daddy, birthday! Wow! And also, Mommy and Daddy, can you please come here sa front?
Nga naman siya. Paragos rin smelte. Ing nakashare kay bawon ng Bluetooth.
Kasi nainainan mo na yung ate. Yay! So right now, Mommy and Daddy, do you know that Jollibee and Daddy are very excited now to see you and of course our birthday celebrant. And of course right now, Mommy, Jollibee prepared a 3 wishes for Ate Jemima. Right now, Ate Jemima, are you ready to hear those 3 wishes for Jollibee? Can you say yes, yes, yes? Very good. How about Daddy? Daddy, can you say yes, yes, yes?
Oh, yes.
Yes. And of course, Mommy, can you say yes, yes, yes? Yes, yes. Very good. Alright, so Jollibee, are you ready? How about you guys? Are you ready? Can everybody say yes, yes, yes? Yes. Of course, we invited also a very special guest right now, Ate. Come here, Ate. Na Ate guest, we have a
Tawagin sa Messenger niya.
So right now, without further ado, I want everybody to count 1 to 5. Okay, 1 to 5, then Ate, close your eyes. I want you to close your eyes. Can you close your eyes? Very good. So right now, siya ay kilala bilang isa sa mga nag-iisang cheer dancer ng Jollytown. Everybody, please give it up for everybody will count of 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wa pa music.
Asa na? 6, 7, 8, 9. So ang first thing na buhaton nato, and Ate Abby say, para kay Ate Jemima, tita ang saya, that is the signal na buhaton nato ang Jollibee Club. So hinahangad ang tanan na participate, including Mommy and Daddy. So Happy and Jollibee, ang first thing na buhaton kay Ma'am, 1 clap. Now, can you show me your 1 clap? 1 clap. Very good. Sige na, 1 clap. Yes. Now, raise your 2 hand. Erase ang both 2 hand. Mommy and Daddy, raise your 2 hand. Mommy, yes. And then after that, say, Jollibee.